In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Wise. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a popular online platform that makes it easy to send money internationally with low fees and competitive exchange rates. So, whether you're traveling, paying overseas suppliers, or simply transferring funds abroad, Wise offers a straightforward, cost-effective solution. Let's walk through the process of setting it up and making the most of its features. First, let's get started by heading over to the Wise website. Open your preferred web browser and type in wise.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option to open an account. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address along with some additional personal information. Don't worry, this process is straightforward. Just ensure that the information you provide is accurate to avoid any issues later on. After completing the setup, you'll be greeted by the homepage of Wise. Here you'll find a dashboard that gives you a clear overview of your account. You'll notice options like send, add money, and request a payment. These are some of the core features, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with them. Additionally, you'll see a section displaying your currency wallet, which is handy for keeping track of different currencies if you frequently deal with more than one. Next, if you're interested in getting a Wise card, this can be easily done by clicking on Cards. Wise offers both digital and physical cards, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. The digital card is great for online shopping and immediate use, while the physical card functions like a traditional debit card. Once you've decided, ordering a card is as simple as following the prompts. Now, let's explore how Wise manages your transactions. Clicking on Transactions will open up a detailed log of all the transactions you've made. This feature is essential for tracking your spending and ensuring everything is in order. In addition, the Payments section allows you to schedule transfers and make payment requests. This is perfect for recurring transactions or if you need to manage outgoing payments. Also, you can click on Recipients to manage your contact list, making it easier when you need to send money to someone you've already transacted with. Lastly, dive into the Insights feature. This provides a helpful analysis of your spending patterns and helps you keep on top of your finances. This feature is excellent for those who like to keep a keen eye on their financial habits and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to set up and use Wise. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to making low-cost, hassle-free international transactions. Thank you for joining me today and happy transferring.